Greetings, I'm Susan Stevenson, Director of the Freedom Wellbeing Institute. On Friday the 14th of November, I'll be facilitating a one-day professional development workshop. It will be focused on transformative new pastoral care and wellbeing systems for tertiary and higher education institutions. This workshop is designed for tertiary and higher education student and staff leaders, wellbeing managers and coordinators, and wellbeing practitioners who are seeking practical, evidence-based frameworks to measurably strengthen their pastoral care and wellbeing systems. We'll be exploring how prevention-focused approaches grounded in over 16 years of universal wellbeing research can be used to improve engagement, retention, program achievement, and equity outcomes. If you're involved in tertiary or higher education student or staff wellbeing, I encourage you to join us. Places are limited to ensure a collaborative learning experience, so please secure your registration early. I look forward to seeing you there. This workshop will be available face-to-face and by interactive online mode.